If you're struggling with debt and considering debt settlement, you may have come across ClearOne Advantage. They offer a program to negotiate with your creditors and settle your debts for less than you owe. We've spent years in the lending industry and we track over 50 different debt settlement companies. We want to break down how ClearOne Advantage works, what it costs, and how long it takes, so you can decide whether it's the best strategy for you in tackling your debt. ClearOne Advantage is a debt settlement company established in Baltimore in 2008. They are a member of the IAPDA, or the International Association of Professional Debt Arbitrators. The IAPDA sets standards and provides education within the debt relief sector. It is a trade group and it's not independent of the companies that use them, so it can help improve the standards practiced in the industry, but it is not a true independent regulator enforcing standards. Let's walk through the ClearOne Advantage debt settlement process. The first thing you'll do is have a conversation with a ClearOne representative. During this meeting, they will talk about their process, identify the debts you will enroll, and set a monthly payment amount. To qualify for their service, you need to enroll at least $10,000 in unsecured personal debt. The process works best with credit card debt, but you can also include personal loans and medical debt as well. They will not accept secured debt like mortgages, auto loans, or HELOCs. Once you've determined which debts to enroll, you will determine what your new monthly payment will be. This payment will replace the monthly payments you currently make to the enrolled debt. The new payment will be put into an account that ClearOne controls. None of that money will be used to pay your monthly bills. This is the heart of the settlement process. You will fall behind on those debts. Your creditors will report you 30 days late, 60 days late, 90 days late, and then ultimately in default. They will call you looking for payment. They will hire debt collectors to see if they can get the money out of you. All the while, your ClearOne account balance is growing. When you have enough money in that account, ClearOne will open negotiations with your creditors. The idea is that the creditors will come to the conclusion that getting some money out of you is better than getting no money out of you. Companies that agree to settle will decrease the principal payback amount in exchange for a series of payments. If you fail to deliver the payments, the settlement agreement is voided and you're back to owing the full amount, plus any interest and fees that have accrued during the delinquency of the debt. That is why setting your new monthly payment at the beginning of the process is so important. If you set it too low, it will take too long to build up enough money in the account before you can begin negotiating. But if you set your monthly payment too high, two problems could arise. First, you may have trouble making the payments every month. That inconsistency could scuttle the process. Second, settlement agreements often require you to put more money into the account to cover the current settlement while still building the account for the next settlement. If the initial payment already strains your finances, they will certainly break when you need to add money to lock in a settlement. So you need to thread the needle between a payment size that is too small and one that means that you're not making progress, and one that is too high and is hard to maintain. It's also important to note that not 100% of the money in that account is used to settle your debts. ClearOne will take their debt settlement fee and any monthly account maintenance fees from that account as well. ClearOne is not transparent on their website about what their debt settlement fee is, but the evidence that I've been able to uncover suggests that it's about 25% of the enrolled debt amount. That means that if you have $10,000 in debt and they are able to get 50% of the debt forgiven, you will have to pay $5,000 to your creditor and $2,500 to ClearOne. Ultimately, in that example, you would only save $2,500 on the $10,000 debt. ClearOne likes to boast about how they will not take a fee until you have settled your debt. That sounds great, right? It shows that they are all about results. Actually, by law, debt settlement companies cannot take a fee until they have negotiated at least some of the debt. So don't be too impressed by that claim. As I'm sure you can see by now, debt settlement will absolutely trash your credit score. Paying your bills on time is the most important factor to building and maintaining a good credit score. So the fact that all of your enrolled debt will fall into default will drive your score down. In the first few months, you can expect your credit score to drop 90 points. Before the process is complete, your credit score is certain to fall below 500, and it will stay there during the entire process. And until the process is complete, only then can you start to rebuild. How long is the debt settlement process expected to take? ClearOne will tell you that the process usually takes between 2 and 4 years, but it could take longer, and it's highly unlikely to take less than 2 years. It will all depend on how delinquent you are when the process starts, how fast you can build up money in your account, and how willing your creditors are to negotiate. If you have paid on time up until you started the debt settlement process, it is reasonable that some of your credits will doubt that you deserve hardship treatment. Creditors tend to be more willing to negotiate if you can show that things have changed in your life that make it impossible to keep up on your bills. Things like losing a job or going through a divorce. Or maybe the creditor just has a policy to not negotiate any of their accounts, especially with a debt settlement company. There is no law that says they have to negotiate. They could string out the situation for months until they decide to sue you. If they do take you to court for the debt, you will have to hire a lawyer to represent you in court. If you don't, you could suffer a summary judgment against you. This could garnish your wages for years until the debt and all the fees are paid off in full. ClearOne does not provide legal services, so if you are sued, you're on your own. So how much can you really save through debt settlement? An industry study shows that the debt settlement process can save people 30 to 35% of their debt after the debt settlement fee. If you were able to expect those kind of results, on a $10,000 debt, you would end up paying $5,000 to your creditor and $2,500 to ClearOne. Your total out-of-pocket amount to clear the $10,000 debt would be $7,500. But even then, you wouldn't save all $2,500 of that. The IRS considers forgiven debt income. That means you will be taxed on it. You will receive a 1099-C tax form from the company at the end of the year. In this example, that means that you will have to pay taxes as though your income was $5,000 higher, even though $2,500 of that went to ClearOne. Of course, these savings are only for people who successfully complete the debt settlement process. There is no guarantee that you will. It is common for people to drop out of debt settlement, either because they fail to keep up with the payments or because they are dissatisfied with their progress. Those people experience many of the negatives of the debt settlement process without the benefits of clearing their debt. Even with all of this, debt settlement may be the thing for you. Some people desperately need relief from their debt and like the idea of having someone help them sort it all out. Some recognize that it is a drastic measure, but feel it's the only possible thing they can do to keep from declaring bankruptcy. I will say this, if you currently have a credit score that is 650 or higher, you probably have better options. You should be able to get a debt consolidation loan that would help you lower your monthly payment and set you on a path to pay off the debt in 3 years. And it would allow you to preserve your credit score, or maybe even improve it. If you want to explore your options, you can visit us at the Yukon project. We have a lending marketplace where you can select debt consolidation as the loan purpose and how much you need and your credit score. When you apply for one of our featured lenders, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders behind the scenes. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. If you are convinced that debt settlement is the path you want to take, we have a partner that can introduce you to a debt settlement company. You have no obligation to use them. It's just a great place to explore your options. If you have direct experience with ClearOne Advantage, please tell us about it in the comments below. We're trying to build a community of people who can share their experiences so we can all be better informed about our finances. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.